Good morning, guys. This is me again from R.Hardwoodfloor Refinishing and Cleaning. Today is February 23rd, and we are here in Littleton, Colorado. It's a small full sanding job that we should be done tomorrow on Tuesday. And just because we need to apply a stain at the end of the day, we need to let it dry the whole night, and tomorrow come back just to apply the finishing, and the UV finish is gonna be the last coat. But yeah, guys, I came here around 1 month ago. I did that estimation for the customer. They set up immediately for February 2nd, but unfortunately they have to postpone it because of some kind of issue. But anyway, we are here today to do it, and let me flip it out the camera and show you guys what are we gonna be doing. All right, guys, beautiful day here in Littleton, Colorado. But yeah, so let me show you. This is a red oak. We are gonna be doing this small area in the entrance, and the kitchen and dining room here. Like I said, it's a small job that we are gonna be doing. It's around 300 square feet. Yeah, and now we have ready the power drive. So yeah, in the vacuum attached, what it's gonna do almost 100% Dustless. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay, we're back here, and look at this area. It's already done, almost done, because now we are gonna apply the stain. But here, let me show you guys how the floor is looking so far. We already done with all the sanding process, vacuum clean, water pop, and now that it's drying, we are about to start applying the stain. So guys, stay tuned and see the result and the process. Good morning, guys. This is the second day of the project, and look at this floor. We applied the stain yesterday before we left, and look at this. It looks so nice, so nice. Now we are getting ready immediately to apply the first coat, the sealer. Let it dry, apply the second coat of finish, or the first coat of finish, and then the UV finish. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm back here to show you basically the final result. Look at this. Look at this tabletop. This is what we have here. Alright, guys, so right now the last step is gonna be past the UV machine, and that's it. Immediately the customer, they can put everything back, and also the dog will be able to walk on the floor. Alright, guys, stay tuned. See you soon. Alright, guys, this is the result of this floor, and look at this. Oh wow, so beautiful. Nice, 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 nice. You can see it's already UV cured, and it's done, guys. It's done. Alright, if you guys want this kind of service, please don't hesitate in contact us, 720-327-1127. And stay tuned. And the dog, I don't see. What is the name of the dog? Rico! Rico! Look at, he can walk on the floor immediately with no wait time. So that is the beauty, that is the beauty. All right, nice. The customer is so happy with the result. So guys, stay tuned. See you next time.